Hello, welcome back to Suburban Hunt 365. This is the promised follow-up video for the Hatson DF12. We have shot this about 10 or 15 times, and so far it's ran fine, but today we're going to put it through its actual paces. I've got 200 rounds of birdshot behind me right here. We're going to try to cut a 4x4 in half. Why? Because we can. So we're going to run the heck out of this. If we have any failures, we'll definitely let you know. But you're actually going to come down with us to the range, and we're going to blow through these 200 rounds. I do have some buckshot rounds and some slugs we're going to run through this, kind of see how this thing operates. So enough talk, let's head to the range. Alright guys, we're down here at the range right now. We're actually going to sight this shotgun in first. The red dot was off the last time we put rounds down range, so we're going to sight this thing in using buckshot and 1 1/8 slugs. So we're going to sight those in first, and then we're going to get started on that 4x4. Really?
You what?
Alright, well, we had a failure to eject. Let's keep going. Alright guys, that was a lot of fun. As you saw in the video, there was a failure to feed and a failure to eject. We had those a couple more times throughout the time we were shooting, but that's inherent with the semi-automatic. Those of us that were in the military or are in the military, you know tap rack bang by heart, because inherently semi-automatics jam, failure to eject, failure to feed, so forth. The one thing I did want to bring to your attention is, while we were running this, the forearm would get loose. And basically that's just because this part up here isn't tight enough. So when this here gets loose, and just reach up, counterclockwise turn, and it locks that into place. It happened twice while we were out there playing with it. We were moving and grooving, but you know, it's an easy fix. All in all, fantastic time, great shotgun, had a lot of fun with it. I definitely recommend them, they're a lot of fun. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you on the next one.
Dude!